there exists an elite breed of supercars born to dominate the asphalt jungle with their monstrous power and unparalleled performance. In order to look pristine and stunning at all times, these supercars require a special kind of meticulous cleaning method, which has been kept a secret for decades by a select group of highly trained technicians who have been tasked with cleaning some of the most spectacular cars in the world. And today, I'll be revealing these secret methods to you. So the supercar which we will be cleaning is this amazing Ferarri F8 Spider, which is coated in a decent layer of road grime. This specialized car detail begins with the wheels. With most of the dirt and grime gone, it's time for some elbow grease as I get to work with my trusty tools, giving each wheel a contact clean. Now that the wheels are looking slick, it's time for the pre-wash on the rest of this F8. The pre-wash of choice, the Tino Green Snow Foam. This will essentially strip the Ferrari of its dirt. It's time to rinse off the foam along with all of the dirt it's trapped. If you're enjoying this, hit the subscribe button and join the Tino Car crew. With that thick dirt layer banished, it's finally safe to hand wash the car and remove that final stubborn layer of grime. Stay tuned chaps, as we'll be going on a ride around London with the owner of this Ferrari. We now rinse the shampoo off this masterpiece. I now add a hydrophobic layer of ceramic protection that will keep the car cleaner for longer. Look at how the water beads off the car. It's like magic. With this layer of protection, the elements don't stand a chance. We'll finish up by drying the car with ease. All the products we use can be found at tinocarcare.com. It's your one-stop shop for all your car cleaning needs. Let's move into the cockpit of this F8 Spider. The top surfaces are dusted down before we move on to vacuuming the lower surfaces. We're almost done with the vacuuming, just a little bit more and we're ready to deep clean the interior. I used the Tino interior detailer to clean, disinfect and leave a streak-free finish behind on every interior surface.
Yeah, it's a nice one.
Very nice one.
You like the color?
The color is great. We buy for Friday.
This one is the Ferarri F8. We're making a video. This is my business, Tino Car Care.
Yeah, Tino Car Care.
You know. Yeah.
What a cool fella. Anyways, let's finish off this interior before moving on to clean the glass. The Tino glass cleaner is used to give a streak-free finish while also adding a layer of rain repellent protection, keeping your windows more clear as you drive in wet conditions. The door shuts are also taken care of. We're also adding a touch of shine and protection to take care of any imperfections. Last but not least, we'll be shining the tires too. Before we explore London in the Ferrari, let's have a look at the results. Enjoy! Amazing shine. Beautiful finish. Now, let's take a ride with the owner of this Ferrari.
And thank you for allowing me to come on this small trip with you around London. It's always been a dream of mine to be in a supercar, so thank you for allowing me to do that with you.
Yeah, no, my pleasure, Tina.
So may I ask, what made you get a supercar in the first place?
Well, to be honest, first of all, I'm a car fanatic.
Okay.
So, you know, cars are my sort of passion from childhood. And it's definitely sort of been a long-term ambition to own one. And thankfully, I've now sort of reached that goal in life.
Yeah, fair enough. That's definitely a good accomplishment. And I can see that you picked up the speed a little bit. How well does it handle?
To be honest, with the sort of modern supercars these days, it's sort of in the electronic. You can pick up speed, but at the same time, it's not going to sort of lose control. They're just well designed, you know.
So what was your first car that you've ever had?
So my first car was actually a VW Golf, but it wasn't a brand new one. I have to put my hand up and be honest. It was obviously a second-hand used VW Golf. That's a 2006 reg. I actually still own it today.
Oh really?
Okay.
Nice.
You know when you have that sort of like first car sentimental value, you just sort of want to keep it. I then started to sort of climb the ladder in terms of cars. I then had a Audi TT S.
And may I ask, is it really worth it to get a supercar? Like, what is the big difference in your opinion in owning a supercar from your average Golf?
Well, I mean, first of all, it's a massive difference altogether. I mean, I'm not going to sort of sugarcoat it. But at the same time, everything is going hybrid, right? And EV. So at the end of the day, if you are not going to own it now, then you won't get the opportunity later. I wouldn't change it for the world, Tino. It's a great car all round. You know, the comfort of these modern supercars nowadays means you can sort of use them in the city, and then they've got the best of country roads and obviously the highways.
Chaps, in the comments below, let us know any questions you have for the owner of the next supercar drive along.
What would your biggest advice be to like a person who's dreaming of having a supercar like this one?
My advice is to work hard to expand whilst you can, and it's all about putting in that hard work when you're young, because the sooner you do it, the sooner you can reap the benefits. Look, there's no such thing as an easy ride in life. I think you've just got to put in the effort and all the hours that God gives, and you will reap the benefit.
From the first day you used us, what's your overall experience with Tino Car Care?
Honestly, Tino, you do a very good job. You've always met the appointments that we've agreed to sort of keep to, and it's faultless. You know, when the car I take handover of it after a clean, it's perfect. You know, everything is shiny, sparkling.
We try our best.
Be sure to like, comment and subscribe, and here are 2 more videos I think you would like.